Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the WordPress gallery images in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. After that it will simply take you to the browser that you are currently using, and then simply typing www.wordpress.com, then simply click on enter. After that you have to just simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to just simply click on the My Home option, and then you have to just simply click on the edit site option, and after that it will simply take you to the site. From here you have to just simply click on the plus icon, then you have to simply search for the gallery option from here, and here you can see I have already got the gallery option. Just simply choose it and press it to the place that you would like to press it. So here you can see you have already got it. Then just simply click on the select images, then click on the media library, then choose the images that you would like to take. So let's say I'd like to go for this two. Then you have to just simply click on create a new gallery, then you have to just simply click on insert gallery, and here you can see the gallery is already created. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.